Hello everybody, HealthMate Sauna here, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to wire an ASE2, also known as an Enrich 2 by HealthMate Sauna. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and find your inlet or your power cable. This is going to be located inside the accessory box. Once you find that cable, what you want to go ahead and do is run it through this little hole here in the floor, and go ahead and just put it to the side here. The next part of this is going ahead and fishing out some of these cables that are inside of this hole. So you gotta wiggle them a little bit to get them out, but they will eventually come out. So you're gonna have the first one here. This is your heater cable, and then you're gonna have to wiggle a little bit more and get the second cable out. And sometimes they do get a little bit jammed in there. But you got to just keep working around and keep wiggling until you get them out. So here's the next cable. This is going to be your data cable. And the next cable is the final cable, which is your another heater. So out of the floor of the sauna, you're going to have a heater cable, two heater cables. They're both, one's going to have a little angle, a 90-degree angle on it. One's going to be straight, and then you're going to have the data cable. So you can go ahead and kind of unwrangle these a little bit here. Here's your data cable, the first cable that you want to plug in. There's a little notch here in the bottom of it. So you want to go ahead and find that notch on the power supply. Fully insert it so it's fully inserted, and then go ahead and screw on the nut. So that's the first cable. The second cable is your heater cable right here. It's going to be labeled heater 2. You can go ahead and plug that into the heater 2 slot in the power supply. The next cable is going to be a longer, and it's the 90-degree angle heater. You can go ahead and plug that into the power supply in heater number 1. Okay. And the last heater cable is going to be on your bench, and it's labeled heater number 3. Go ahead and plug that into the slot of heater number 3. And this is how you properly wire an ASE2 or an Enrich 2 by HealthMate Sauna. The last part of it, once your sauna is all assembled and put together, is you want to plug in your inlet or your power cable. And you want to go ahead and push that all the way in. Now, a little bit of advice. Many times, because it's such a heavy-duty cable, it's not pushed in all the way. If it's not pushed in, it's going to cause resistance, or it's going to arc. So make sure you fully push this cable in. Same with all of your heater cables. Just go ahead and wiggle them. Make sure they're all fully inserted into the power supply. So this is how you wire an Enrich 2 or an ASE2 by HealthMate Sauna. If you have any questions, please give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll be happy to help.